Hello, so here's a Bitbucket video. So I've got a new account and I've got Bitbucket as one of my integration options. So by the time that you see this video, this will say beta, not alpha. And the way it works, so I've gone over to my workspace settings. Always need to do workspace settings first to connect at the workspace level. Go connect. Type in the name of my workspace and it'll say I need to administer your repos, read and modify them, and your webhooks as well. I say grant access. And it says successfully connected to Bitbucket. So what that's just done is it's given me access to read stuff inside my Bitbucket accounts at the account level. However, I also need to do this at the user level. So per workspace, one person needs to do what we just did. And then down here, every user needs to do this at their user level. Connect, connected. So what does that let me do? Lets me import pipelines and so on, and manage pipelines generally in Bitbucket. So I'll go here to import existing pipeline, and I can see which ones I want to use test. The path is /a.yaml, and my default branch, let's go with main. And I can do the exact same things now that I could do in GitHub, GitLab, or Azure DevOps as well. I can take, let's see, view in Bitbucket. So this will take me to that same file in Bitbucket. If I wanted to make a new branch, I could do checkout new branch, turn example 2, checkout and push new branch. And if I make any changes to it as well, save my commit, then these changes will be made in Bitbucket too. So we can go here, and if I refresh this, I can see the new branch name, turn example 2, and the latest commit is my commit from 12 seconds ago. So we've shown that we can link to it. We can see the commits in this Git repo, so we can revert whichever ones we want to revert if we wanted to. And at runtime, it'll pull from this branch of this repo to do whatever I want it to. Another thing to mention is the webhooks that we've got set up here. If I go to repository settings, when I did that connect at the workspace level, we set up a webhook here. So I got a few from testing, but generally what's happening is we've signed up so that every time anyone pushes anything to this Git repo, or to any of the Git repos in Orchestra HQ, we'll get a notification and we'll check should we update a pipeline in Orchestra based on the code changes that were just made. If so, then we'll do that.